Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are showing you a spicy, sweet and delicious type of pizza with salami and sour cream. These are the ingredients we used: salty cheese, salami slices, tomato sauce. We have a video for that and we will leave the link in the description. Chili peppers, dill, garlic slices, and pizza dough. We will leave the link for this recipe in description. We bake our dough halfway on both sides to get a crispy surface to add our ingredients to. We flip it and add our ingredients. Add the sauce and the cheese, going close to the edges so we get the best of ingredients in every bite. Add the salami slices all over and finish off with the dill, chili peppers and the garlic slices. Also, we added some oregano. But this is up to you. You can add pepper as well if you like it more spicy. And back in the oven until the cheese melts and the salami cooks a bit. And this is the end result. After it cools down, add the sour cream and you are done. Your pizza is ready to be eaten. We also added ketchup because it mixes well with the cream. This is our recipe for today. Hope you guys enjoyed our video and we hope you will try this at home. It is so flavorful, fluffy and creamy. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked our video, don't hesitate to like it, subscribe and also follow us on Instagram. We will leave all the links in the description. And until next time, have fun cooking!